Good morning, boys and girls. How are you? I miss you. Every day I miss you more and more. Today we're going to be doing a new lesson on the numbers. But we've done numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well, what's that new one there? What's it doing there? What is it? Do you know what number it is? It's 5? How do you know it's 5? How about we sing our song and make sure it's 5? I know 5 has a special color. So let's see if that color is the right color for number 5. Are you ready? Let's go. 1 is white and 2 is red. 2 is red. 3 is light green. 4 is pink. 4 is pink. And 5 is yellow like the sun. Now our song is halfway done, halfway done. Okay, so this is number 5. Wow, 5 is yellow. Can you do something for me? Can you clap your hands 5 times? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Can you make a tower with 5 blocks for me? I want to see a tall, tall tower of using only 5 blocks. Great job. Make sure and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Now I want you to jump 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Give yourselves a clap. That was awesome jumping. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to write this number 5. But before we learn how to write this number 5, I think we should remember how we write all of the numbers 1 to 4 first. Can we review that with me? Great. Let's go. How do we write number 1 again? Number 1 is like a stick. A straight line down. That is very quick. Great job. So what about the next number? What number is that again? 2. Around and back on the railroad track. 2, 2. 2, 2. Awesome job. Now what about the next number? Is that number 4? It's number 3. Number 3. Now our number 3 when we write it is a little different to this one. This one has a lot of curves. But our number 3 has a straight line out, slanted line down, around the tree. And that's the way to make a 3. Great job. And that number after 3 is number 4. When we write number 4, we start at the top, just like how we did for all the other numbers. And we go down and over, down once more. That's the way to make a 4. Great job. Okay, so we've done 1 to 4 now, and let's introduce how we write number 5. Now, before I tell you, maybe you want to see how Mr. Chicken Dance does his 5. Would you like to do that? And then come back to me and see how we are going to write it? All right, go ahead and watch the little Mr. Chicken Dance number song, and then come back to me and see where you can tell me where we're going to start writing our number 5. Pause me here and go watch that one. Great job. Did you enjoy that one? I love that song. It's so funky. Now, he says it a little differently to what we are going to say, and that's fine because a lot of them are different to what we are saying. But we're still going to start at the same place he started. And did you see where he started? Did he start at the end of the curve? No. Did he start at the end of the 5? No. He started at the top in the corner. And the first thing he did was he came down and then around. And what we're going to do is we're just going to give a hat on top. And we're going to say 5's a clown. Woo! Okay, so let's say number 5. How we write number 5? Straight line down, then around, hat on top, and 5's a clown. Great job! Now we're going to learn how to do it as we do all our numbers. So we're going to need our sandpaper number. Remember, the things you need for it are sand or rice, glue, and construction paper. We're going to apply the glue first. Maybe mummies and daddies will have to do the glue for you this time because number 5 is a little more challenging. And you can sprinkle it yourself with the sand or glue or rice. Great job. And just trace it with your pointer finger when it dries, and you're going to go straight line down, then around, hat on top, and 5's a clown. Great job. Of course, do that as many times as you would need to practice feeling the formation. Now we're going to move on to doing it with our sand tray. Of course, I'm still using my container. And we're going to start at the top of the container, as close to the top of the container as you can. Leave a little space for that hat on top, okay? And you're going to go straight line down, then around, hat on top, and 5's a clown. Shake it out and try it as many times as you would like. Let's go again. Straight line down, then around, hat on top, and 5's a clown. Great job. Now, as we move on to our paper and pencil activity, remember, only do this once they have mastered it in the sand tray and they're comfortable, because it is a little more difficult. All right, when we're tracing on our paper, remember we trace it first with our pointer finger, just to ensure they can see it and they can follow it with their finger. Let's go. Straight line down, then around, hat on top, and 5's a clown. Do that with all of the completed dotted lines, and then allow them to grab their pencil and try and use their pencil to trace along the lines. Wonderful job, wonderful job. Okay, we're going to do it all on our own. Straight line down, then around, hat on top, and 5's a clown. Constantly say it as you're tracing it so that you can practice and remember what you're supposed to do. Straight line down, draw that straight line down. Then we're going to go around. Make sure you go around in the right direction, and you're going to put the hat on top. Remember, it might be cold and the 5 needs a hat on top. Okay? Great job, everybody. I loved your tracing. That was excellent tracing. I'm very, very proud of how well you're doing. I've seen all of your numbers from 1 to 4 so far, and I can't wait to see number 5s. If you would like to send me a video of them doing the number 5 either in one shape or form, you don't have to send me in all, but if you'd like to send me in all, I love them all the same. And I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.